Hey everyone, welcome to LPW Solutions. In today's video, we are going to learn how to build a machine learning model in Flutter using Dart. We'll be training and testing a classifier, and I will walk you through everything from setting up the project to testing the model. So let's dive in. First things first, if you haven't set up the Flutter and Dart on your computer yet, don't worry. Make sure you have the Flutter installed by following my previous video where I explain the setup process. You will find the link to that video in the description box below or by clicking the eye icon on the top right of your screen. Once you have Flutter ready, let's create a new Flutter project. Open your terminal and run the following command to set up a new Flutter app. Flutter space create space app name. Now open this project in your Visual Studio Code editor and we are ready to start adding the required dependencies for machine learning. We will need some packages to work with machine learning in Flutter. This includes MLAlgo for machine learning models, ML processing for data processing, ML data frame to handle data in a tabular format, and path provider for file management. Open the pubsec.yaml file in your project and add the following dependencies under the dependencies section. For this project, we are using the Pima Indians Diabetes database, which is available on Kaggle. The dataset contains information about various medical factors such as age, blood pressure, and glucose levels, and we are trying to predict whether a person has diabetes based on those factors. The code, including everything we will be discussing today, will be available on my GitHub repo, which you can find in the description below. You can download the dataset from Kaggle. Once downloaded, place the dataset in your project assets folder. Also, make sure to include this in your pubsec.yaml file. Now that everything is set up, let's open the main.dart file, copy the code from GitHub, and I will explain it step by step. We begin by importing all the necessary libraries. We will use MLAlgo and ML data frame for our machine learning and data manipulation tasks, and path provider to save our classifier device. Before we perform any asynchronous operations in the app, we need to ensure that the Flutter framework is fully initialized. Storage. Open Android Studio, click on the View option, then click on Tool, then select Device Explorer. Find the classified JSON file and save it to the assets folder in your Flutter directory. And make sure to mention in the pubsec.yaml file as well. So let's start the prediction. Here in the debug console, you can see the prediction results. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more project videos and tutorials.